If you are working with early readers, it is essential that you know the difference between this group of letter sounds and this one. And if you don't, stick around, I'm going to teach you. This group of letters make what are called continuous sounds. These are sounds that can be stretched out as long as you have breath to make them. This group of letters represents stop sounds. These are sounds where the airflow in your mouth has to stop in order to produce that sound. The sound t is made by the release of pressure in air as the tongue moves off that upper ridge of the mouth. It can't be stretched out. When beginning readers are first learning how to blend sounds together, it is much easier to blend a word that starts with a continuous sound. That way you can stretch that sound directly into the next one without interrupting the airflow. So the main way we want to implement this information is by making sure that when we first introduce blending to our students, we want to start with only having continuous sounds in that initial position. It is okay to have stop sounds at the ends of words because the airflow is naturally going to stop anyways. As we go through this word chain, you'll see that in that initial position, there is always a continuous sound. Once your students are able to successfully and independently blend words that have that continuous initial sound, then you can start introducing words that have stop sounds in that first position. If you found this video helpful, please follow along for more science of reading teaching tips. My name is Summer. I'm a certified dyslexia interventionist, and I am here to help.